Welcome and thanks for watching. In this video I will show you how to display text on the screen. So let's start. We write Console.Write. So we here have write and write line, and I will show you the difference now. Let's write only and braces, semicolon, and here we write text. Let's say hello, and we press F5 to run the code. So we write hello, and here we have the word hello, and we can write this line multiple times. Press Ctrl D, and this is a quick way to copy and paste text or lines of code. And we press F5 again. So we write hello 4 times, and like what you see here, hello written in the same line 4 times. But if I want to display each word in different line, we write line. Let me copy and paste this, and we press F5 again. So hello word written in other time each time. And this is all for this video, and thanks for watching.